Most people come to Florida looking for beaches, but hidden in Vero Beach is a place that feels like stepping into another world, a place where waterfalls tumble through tropical gardens, giant palms reach towards the sky, and around every corner, it feels like nature is quietly inviting you to slow down. Welcome to McKee Botanical Garden. Hey there, I'm RJ, a red Jeep with a front row seat to the world. Out here, every road has a story. You just have to slow down long enough to see it. So buckle up. Let's see where this one takes us. Long before this became one of Florida's most celebrated botanical gardens, this land was something entirely different. Originally known as McKee Jungle Gardens, it opened in 1932. Arthur McKee and Waldo Sexton transformed 18 acres of Florida wilderness into a remarkable tropical garden unlike anything visitors had seen before. During Florida's land boom of the 1920s, thousands of visitors traveled here to experience waterfalls, winding paths, rare tropical plants, and peaceful lagoons. It quickly became one of the state's most beloved attractions. But as Florida changed, tourism shifted, roads changed, new attractions appeared, and slowly McKee faded from public attention. Eventually the gardens closed. Nature quietly reclaimed much of what had once been carefully planted. For a while, it seemed this remarkable place might disappear forever. Thankfully, a community that loved these gardens refused to let that happen. Volunteers, donors, preservationists, and countless supporters worked together to restore McKee. Their much appreciated efforts transformed it into the beautiful garden visitors enjoy today. Today, McKee Botanical Garden is listed on the National Register of Historic Places, recognized as a Florida Heritage Landmark, is a recipient of the Garden Conservancy's Jean and John Green Prize for Excellence in American Gardening, and even named by National Geographic Traveler as one of North America's top 20 places of surprise and sanctuary. As Julia wandered through McKee, I kept thinking about the gifted artist Georgia O'Keeffe. She believed that people rarely stopped long enough to truly see a flower. She once wrote, "Nobody sees a flower, really. It is so small. We haven't time, and to see takes time." Walking these paths, I think she would have loved this place. McKee isn't about rushing from one attraction to the next. It's about wandering, looking, listening, and discovering. Sometimes the most memorable places aren't the biggest or the busiest. They're the ones that quietly remind us that beauty has always been there, just waiting for someone to notice. From a red Jeep named RJ, somewhere among waterfalls, towering palms, and tropical flowers, this is Red Jeep Diaries. And remember, wherever your road goes, take time to look.